In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link anchors on your Wix website. If you want to help visitors jump directly to a specific section of a page, anchors are a simple and very useful tool in Wix. They're great for guiding people to areas like an About section, a contact area, or any part of a longer page without making them scroll manually. Let's walk through how to set that up inside the Wix editor. First, open your Wix website in the editor so you can begin making changes. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left-hand side and click Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks you can place on your site. From there, select Menu and Anchor. You'll then see the option to add an anchor. You can either click Anchor to place it on the page or drag it to the exact location you want users to jump to. This part is important because wherever you place the anchor is where visitors will land when they click the link. So make sure you position it carefully at the beginning of the section you want to highlight. After placing the anchor, Wix will prompt you to give it a name. Enter a descriptive name that clearly identifies that section. For example, you might name it something like About section or Contact section. Using clear names makes it much easier to select the correct anchor later, especially if your page has more than one. Once your anchor has been placed and named, you can link other elements on your site to it. If you want to link a button, an image, or a text element, click on that element first. Then click the link icon. Choose Anchor. Select the page where the anchor is located, and finally choose the specific anchor from the drop-down menu. This tells Wix exactly where that element should send visitors. You can also link a site menu to an anchor, which is especially helpful for one-page websites or pages with multiple sections. To do that, click your navigation menu and select Manage Menu. At the bottom, click Add Item, then choose Link or Anchor. After that, select Anchor and choose the section you want that menu item to target. This creates a navigation link that takes users straight to that part of the page. As a quick tip, after setting up your anchor links, preview your site and test each one to make sure it lands in the right place and feels smooth for visitors. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.